Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Avax. The SEC finally approved the Bitcoin ETF. It was officially stated yesterday by Gary Gensler. What does this mean for Bitcoin and where do we go next? Well, let's take a look at the charts. So yesterday, Bitcoin ETF was approved by the SEC, US Securities and Exchange Commission, by Gary Gensler himself, the man in charge, approved it yesterday. So the rumors were true that the deadline was actually yesterday. And as you can see, they have stated this officially on 11 platforms. BlackRock is one of them, and they were the ones who filed for that last year. And as you know, in my last day trading update, I spoke about Gary Gensler's tweet, which he told people to basically be careful when trading or getting into crypto and Bitcoin itself. And CNBC reported this as well, and they are basically saying that, let me see here, I think it was $50 billion that could flood the market through these ETFs on the bank's platforms. And if I estimated it correctly, depending on buys and sell orders, we could go to new all-time highs or at least 60k, which is where we also have a volume candle, which is pretty interesting to see. So today is the first Bitcoin ETF trading day, so we'll have to see and follow what might happen today. And if we zoom out a bit on the Bitcoin chart, we can see that we've been basically in an uptrend ever since December 2022. We've completed the market make structure, first leg up, first retrace, second leg up, second retrace, third and final leg up, which is where we're currently at. I don't see any double top formation as of yet, no clear indication. So we had to wait and see for a drop. We'll have a retrace from there, and then we could say that we're in the first leg down, and we'll complete the reversal of some kind. But as of yet, we're still in an uptrend. If you're holding your longs, hold them until you see a double top formation and take profits when it's confirmed. So next target to the upside then is here at 50.7k. Break that, we could go up to 53, or even if we go to 60k, we could see a big run up to there after the Bitcoin ETF is approved. However, ever since Coinbase got its IPO, it dumped. When there's big news events, for example, if you remember, if you were into crypto at the time, when El Salvador adopted crypto, that was the sign of the top, and we basically plummeted to the downside. So something similar could happen because we pumped before the ETF was approved. We pumped almost in a straight line to the upside. And so you have to be very careful. We're in the end of the uptrend structure, the market make structure. We're forming these blue volume candles, if you see here in the previous array tool, at the highest point, which is a sign of a climatic move. The blue candle basically means that volume is increasing compared to the 10 or 20 last candles. And if it's happening at the top or a local top, that could be a sign of an biggest change of buy and sell orders being transacted as of now, which could indicate a top. So keep that in mind, but we have to see a double top formation structure. Until then, we're still in uptrend. So if you consider short, not financial advice, but wait for a confirmation when we break this point, theoretically, for example. Looking at the news events on the macro environment, today's kind of a big day because we have the CPI numbers coming out and the unemployment claims. Is this being set up before those numbers are released? We could see another pump if we get great news that the economy is slowing down and more people are unemployed. That could spike the market to the upside because that could mean reduced interest rates from the Fed in the next meeting. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see. If you aren't in any trades, wait for the news release and the market's reaction to it. Not financial advice, do whatever you want to do. Looking at the liquidation map, of course, a lot of people going long after the news was released. Big clusters here at 42k. We have big clusters at 35 and at 30k as well. To the upside, not many people going short, which is usually the case for retail investors. They get hyped and bullish whenever it's pumping, and they get bearish and negative when it's going down. So you have to do it in the opposite direction to be a successful trader. Not financial advice, but that's generally the case. With that being said, let's take a look at AVAX. So AVAX is one of those coins that pumped parabolically, ever since we made that double bottom confirmation, which I told you about on this channel. I think it was on October 2023. We have skyrocketed to the upside. We had the first leg up, first retrace in my opinion, second leg up. We have possibly completed the second retrace. So we're waiting for a third and final leg up, and the volume candles are revealing the targets to the upside. We could see a $65 AVAX in the next leg up, and usually we do see that altcoins pump after Bitcoin has a consolidation phase or after a pump. So we could see a spike to the upside after Bitcoin is finished with its move to the upside. When it's kind of completely its double top formation, that's when alts spike to the upside, and the targets are here at $60 to $65 to the upside to finish this market make structure, which we have very finally completed. Double bottom formation, bam, to the upside, 2 steps completed, third and final leg to the upside pumping. That is where we could form a double top formation at $60, and then we'll reverse to the downside. Targets to the downside then could be down to $20 again, which is a great opportunity to load up for last time your AVAX bag. Not financial advice, but could be. And then we're going to the upside, seeing new all-time highs possibly in the next bull run, which could be coming this year after interest rates are reduced. Not financial advice. So next target to the upside minimum is at $40.8. Break that. Next target $51. Break that. $60 is the final target possibly. That's it for today. I hope you learned something. Big Boss out.